Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to replace the sky in Photoshop in less than 2 minutes. Let's go! Aloha guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to replace the sky in an image in less than 2 minutes. So let's go. So I have the image right here. I took this image in Los Angeles. I just wanted to try it out to this image because it has this helicopter. We'll see if the sky replacement will affect the helicopter. So you're going to be heading over to edit. So click edit. And once you're in edit, click sky replacement. As you can see, it's gonna start rendering the image, and I would say it did a pretty good job. And that's it. Like, that's basically it. You guys can see how easy it is. Just click edit, sky replacement, and you're here. Photoshop gives you a lot of like different skies, but you can also import your sky photos on this app. So let's test these out. So I don't like the skies, but I personally like the one that I took, but I'm just showing you guys how good it is. Let's go with this one. It did a great job in isolating the sky, I would say. I don't know for other images, but I would say that this is way easier than like masking it out yourself. I tried that before and it didn't really turn out great. Now you guys know how to change the sky on Photoshop, and tag me in Instagram if you find this helpful, and please like and subscribe on my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.